वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कॉस्ट मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग की एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 12। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्स रेवेन्यू एंड वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज कॉल्ड। और ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं ये मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग टॉपिक के रिलेटेड है आज की वीडियो में एमसीक्यूज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्स रेवेन्यू एंड वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज कॉल्ड gross profit, contribution, net profit, fixed cost. So here the correct answer is B, contribution. Next question is which of the following is a fixed cost? Direct material, rent, direct labor, variable overhead. So here the fixed cost is rent. B is the correct answer. Next question is under marginal costing, fixed production overheads are absorbed in product cost, charged to cost of goods sold, charged to profit and loss account, capitalized. So here the correct answer is charged to profit and loss account. C is the correct answer. Next question is contribution per unit is calculated as selling price minus fixed cost per unit, selling price minus variable cost per unit, variable cost per unit minus fixed cost per unit, fixed cost per unit minus variable cost per unit. So here contribution per unit is calculated as selling price minus variable cost per unit. B is the correct answer. Next question is the break-even point in units is calculated by dividing fixed cost by contribution per unit, fixed cost by sales price per unit, variable cost by contribution per unit, sales by fixed cost. ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इन यूनिट्स कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है उसका फॉर्मूला बताना है, दैट इज फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट बाय कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Sixth question is if sales increases and fixed costs remain unchanged, profit will decrease, increase, remain constant, become zero. So here the profit will increase. B is the correct answer. Seventh question is the contribution margin ratio is useful to determine fixed cost, calculate profit at different sales level, prepare balance sheet, allocate overheads. So here the correct answer is calculate profit at different sales level. Next question is in marginal costing, absorption costing and marginal costing differ in treatment of fixed cost, treatment of variable cost, treatment of direct cost, valuation of sales. So here मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग में एब्जॉर्प्शन कॉस्टिंग और मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग का डिफरेंस होता है ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज marginal costing is useful in long-term price decision, short-term economic decision, final accounts preparation, auditing. So here marginal costing is useful in short-term economic decisions. Ninth में B is the correct answer. 10th question is if contribution equal fixed cost, then profit is 0, positive, negative equals to sales. So here the correct answer is A, 0. Next question is which costing method is more suitable for decision making? Absorption costing, marginal costing, historical costing, standard costing. So here the correct answer is B, marginal costing. Next question is in marginal costing, which cost is relevant for decision making? Fixed cost, sunk cost, variable cost, opportunity cost. So here the correct answer is C, variable cost. Next question is contribution is also known as gross margin, operating profit, margin of safety, net income. So here the contribution is also known as gross margin. A is the correct answer. Next question is the primary assumption of marginal costing is all costs are variable, fixed costs remain constant, selling price remains constant, variable costs are fixed. So here the correct answer is B, fixed costs remain constant. Next question is when is marginal costing particularly useful? In setting product prices during short-term sales promotion, for long-term financial planning, in tax computation, for fixed cost allocation. So here the correct answer is in setting product prices during short-term sales promotion? A is the correct answer. Next question is the term break-even analysis is closely related to marginal costing, standard costing, absorption costing, job costing. So here the correct answer is A, marginal costing. Next question is margin of safety is the difference between budgeted sales and actual sales and break-even sales, fixed cost and variable cost, total cost and sales. So here the correct answer is actual sales and break-even sales. B is the correct answer. Next question is what happens to the contribution margin if selling price decreases but variable cost remains unchanged? So here it increases, it decreases, it remains constant, it becomes zero. So here the correct answer is it decreases. B is the correct answer. Next question is for fixed cost per unit. It remains constant regardless of production, varies inversely with production level, varies directly with proportion level, production level, equal variable cost per unit. So here the correct answer is varies inversely with production level. Next question is under marginal costing, closing stock is valued at full cost, variable cost only, fixed cost only, market price. So here the correct answer is B, variable cost only. Next question. This is a bonus question for you. You have to answer this question in the comment section below. The margin of safety ratio is calculated at margin of safety upon fixed cost, margin of safety upon sales, contribution over sales, fixed cost upon contribution. So please comment में इसका आंसर जरूर दीजिएगा. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share this lecture and comment the answer in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce Academy.